In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a simple Kanban board in Trello. If you're new to Trello or Kanban boards, don't worry. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a grasp of how to set up your very own board to streamline your workflow. Let's dive right in. The first thing we need to do is start a Kanban board. And to do that, you'll want to click on the Create button, which you'll find at the top of your Trello interface. Once you hit that, you'll see an option called Create Board. Go ahead and select that option. Now, when it comes to naming your board, you have quite a bit of freedom. Think about what'll be most useful for organizing your tasks or projects. Maybe it's for work, a hobby project, or even personal tasks. Whatever it is, make sure it's meaningful to you. Along with naming your board, you also get to select the background design. This part is fun because the look and feel of your board can be customized to boost your mood whenever you see it. Trello provides a variety of colorful options, so pick one that appeals to you. Once you're happy with your board name and background, confirm the creation of your board. Now, it's time to set up the structure of a Kanban board, which is famously known for its simplicity and clarity. We're going to start by adding 3 core stages to your board: to do, doing, and done. These are your lists, and they form the backbone of your Kanban board. To add these lists, simply locate the Add a List option, click on it, and type in the list titles one by one: to do, doing, and done. With each list you create, you're essentially defining a stage of your workflow, which helps you visualize what needs doing, what's currently underway, and what's been completed. Congratulations! Once you have all 3 lists set up, you'll notice that you now have a simple but functional Kanban board. This setup is going to help you organize tasks efficiently, but what makes a Kanban board truly powerful is its ability to be personalized and adapted to suit your unique needs. Perhaps you require additional lists to accommodate other stages, or want to color code tasks for better priority management. Feel free to tweak and improve the board structure. Kanban is all about flexibility, and that's all there is to it. You've just learned how to create a simple Kanban board in Trello. This board can now act as your personal task organizer, project manager, or, indeed, anything you need to stay on top of things. Thank you for watching, and happy organizing!